Oh, hello kids! I was just looking at my wristwatch. Isn't it like a tiny time machine that helps us to keep track of time and manage our daily activities? Like what time to wake up, what time to do the homework, what time to go to school, and what time to go to sleep. Isn't it interesting? So let's make our own wristwatch. For that, we need a paper cup, a pencil. For the strips of your wristwatch, draw the lines opposite direction. Similarly, the other side. Now, after drawing the lines, take a pair of scissors. Make sure you take help of your parents or grandparents and cut along the lines already drawn one by one. From the top to the bottom, but not touching the bottom. Now, fold the strip upwards like this. Similarly, cut it the opposite side. Fold it upwards like this. Now, both the strips of the wristwatch is ready. Cut the extra portion. Now, this is our dial and the strips of the wristwatch. For the needles, we will take this extra portion that we cut it from the paper cup and make two needles. One needle will be a longer one, the other needle will be a shorter one. The shorter one will be the hour hand and the longer one will be the minute hand. So let's draw two needles. After drawing, again cut these. Now after cutting the two needles, you can clean your table and throw these in the dustbin. Once done, let's make the straps of the wristwatch creative. I am drawing triangles. You can take any shape of your choice. Fill the extra gaps. Let's make it more creative. You can have the triangles upwards, downwards, vertical, diagonal, whatever direction you want it to be. It's your watch, your choice. See, now have the same pattern like this here. See, it looks so creative. Now, let's assign the numbers to the dial. Take a black marker. Make 12 at the top of the dial and 6 at the bottom, 3 at the right side and 9 at the left side. Between these, assign 1, 2, 3 already done, 4, 5, 6 already written, 7, 8, 9 already written, 10 and 11. Then you will have a very designed dial like this. Now what we have to do is, we have to color the needles of the wristwatch black. So take the marker or the sketch pen and fill it. You will be having the two needles like this, right? Now what we have to do is, we have to take a rivet. With the help of these, we have to position our needles in the center and insert the rivet to secure it from the back. This is a bit tricky part, but still, we have to make a slight slit so that the rivet can go inside before making a hole in the center. So let's make it. Now we have to position these two needles in the center and secure it with the rivet at the back side of our wristwatch. So insert it inside and then secure it like this, one side and the other side. Press it tightly and then here you go with the hands. You can have whatever time you want to set it. I am setting it at 9 AM like this. Now, it's still something that you can't wear. You have to make some slits. So, for that, we'll be taking a help of scissors and just cutting it from the center of the strap. The slit is ready. For something to get inside it, let's cut a small square and let it go inside like this. Our smartwatch is ready, so you can wear it on your hand. I already have a wristwatch on my right hand, so let me wear it on my left hand. Here you go. I have 2 wristwatches. You can wear as many as you can and keep track of the time always. Thank you.